Seems like yesterday HD was introduced. Now we're talking 4K. And based on this year's 2013 IBC show, 4K is very close to reality. From production equipment to distribution to the final screen, IBC really has just about everything. The common theme at all these booths is that 4K is here. And what's really impressive is how far 4K has come down the cost curve. For instance, displays can be found for $1,000, and name brands can be found for $4,000. So from a consumer perspective, it's there. You're looking at cameras that are $5,000, $6,000. All the elements seem to be in place to make this happen. Still, there are going to be hurdles between here and widespread adoption. For instance, I heard this from many sources, but to get the full benefit of 4K, it's more than resolution. You want the color depth. You really want 10-bit color depth instead of 8-bit color depth. Frame rate's another important consideration. I heard that 120 frames per second would be necessary for some high-action type sports. And what this means is more bandwidth is going to be required. Now, granted, the high-efficiency video codecs, HEVC, it's coming on fast. There were prototypes of set-top boxes with HEVC integrated into them. Of course, there's some handsets now that have HEVC decoding capability, so that's coming quickly. And it was suggested that you could have a 4K, basically 4 times resolution file, equivalent encoded into what would be today's regular MPEG-2 HD file. So it's a huge improvement over what could have been. There are many skeptics who say, will consumers need the 4K? Maybe the difference in picture quality won't be the killer app, but perhaps the killer app may be something more subtle. It might be the pictures they take on these high resolution cameras they have. It really is stunning when you see a photograph on one of these displays. Saw a very impressive user interface using 4K. And what makes the 4K kind of special is you have a lot more real estate to work with. So there could be some very interesting opportunities to present information in a way that couldn't have been presented before. It's early, but we're much further along than when we were in HD. And so service providers can no longer ignore 4K, Ultra HD. They have to really embrace it and understand what the impact is for their network. So this is Ken Pyle reporting from Amsterdam.